End of chapter 2, Krishna has completed a philosophical exposition. The nature of the self is clarified. Doership is undermined. Attachment to result is loosened. And yet, Arjuna is still instructed to act. Chapter 3 begins because this creates a real tension. Not emotional confusion, but a structural mismatch. Slokas 1 and 2 exist to name this mismatch. Before we proceed, let us invoke the clarity to see where concepts stop and application must begin. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahaihi Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahaihi. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Atha तृतीयोऽध्यायः कर्मयोगः अर्जुन उवाच ज्ञायसि चेत्कर्मणस्ते मता बुद्धिर्जनार्दन तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे मां नियोजयसि केशव व्यामिश्रेणेव वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसीव मे तदेकं वद निश्चित्य येन श्रेयोऽहमाप्नुयाम्. Arjuna is not resisting action. He is pointing out a logical inconsistency that he perceives. In chapter 2, Krishna, the master, speaks from a standpoint where the self is untouched by an action, ownership is dissolved, attachment to results is dropped. Yet, Arjuna is still asked to act, and not lightly, but in the most demanding situation possible. Sloka 3.1 names this mismatch directly. If clarity dissolves ownership, why am I being directed towards an action that maximizes engagement and consequence? Sloka 3.2 sharpens this question. Arjuna is not asking, what should I do? He is asking, which framework governs an action when multiple valid frameworks appear to coexist? Chapter 3 begins because Chapter 2 stops deliberately. Truth has been revealed, but its operational logic has not yet been stated. Consider a simple situation. You understand that you should not be attached to outcomes, yet you still hold a role that carries responsibility, risk, and consequence. If you try to act immediately, confusion arises. Not because the teaching is wrong, but because the governing logic is incomplete. Let us look at the practical application. This is the practical function of 3.1 and 3.2 slokas. When a serious insight creates confusion in your life, don't rush to apply it. First, identify what no longer fits together. For example, I am told not to be attached. I am still required to act fully. Don't resolve this by choosing one side. Don't dilute the insight. Don't abandon responsibility. Hold the tension long enough to see this. Confusion here is not failure. It means the old logic has broken and the new logic has not yet been articulated. That waiting is not passivity, it is precision. So as we close, the slokas, today's slokas 1 and 2 do not give answers. They prepare the ground. They mark the point where clarity must learn how to operate inside an action. Chapter 3 exists to address this, not by compromise but by coherence. We will continue with that in the next session. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Swadhyaya Pravachanabhyam Na Pramaditavyam Om Tat Sat.